Good day everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to insert an array element in linear array data in C programming. We have here a linear array A which can hold or contain 4 data or elements. We have here given elements 5, 8, 4, and 9. So remember, when we are going to count an array, we tend to count from the start in 0. So this 0 is what we call the index. So 5 is index 0, 8 is index 1, 4 is index 2, and 9 is index 3. Now if we are going to insert an element in the last position, all we have to do is provide an extra space for our element we want to insert. For instance, we want to insert a value of 6. This value will now store in the index 4. Since we expand our array size, the array variable now has a 5 elements or data. However, if we are going to insert a new element in between the first and last position of our array, it will become more complicated. So first step that we are going to do is expand the array size of our new element. Then we make use of for loop to determine the elements needed to be shift or move. In our loop, we initialize the value of I to size -1. Then it checks the condition whether the value of I is greater than our index position. Then it decreases the value of our I. Then we have to create a statement to move each of the element and provide space for a new element value. Lastly, we assign the new element value to the specific index position of our array. To fully understand, we have to make a short simulation. We have here linear array A with 4 array elements, and we have to insert a new element in the key position. Given that we have size is equal to 4 and the position is the index 2, and we have to insert a new element which has a value of 6. Since we increase our array size by 1, our size now is equal to 5. In our loop, we initialize our I by size -1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. It then checks the condition, is 4 greater than 2? It is true, then perform the statement inside the loop. We assign array index 4 whatever the value of array index 3, which is 9. With this, our array index 4 has now the value of 9. Then perform the loop again. The value of our I is 4, so 4 minus 1 is 3. So it checks the condition, is 3 greater than 2? So it is true, then perform again the statement inside the loop. Now we assign the index 3 whatever the value of our array index 2, which is 4. And with this, our array index 3 has now the value of 4. Then it loops again. The value of our I is 3, so 3 minus 1 is 2. So it checks the condition, is 2 is greater than 2. Because it is false, it exits from the loop and perform the next statement. Now our new element will insert in the position or index in our array. In this case, our index position is 2, thus inserting the new element of value of 6. And now, it successfully inserts the new element, and it is time for us to create the program. First, we are to include our library with standard input output. H. And then for main function. And then for the declaration of our variables. And then we ask for our array size. And then we ask for our elements. Then we ask for our element position. And then we increase our array size. Then for our loop, initialize by size -1. Then the condition, position, and the decrement. Then for the statement, and shifting the elements and assigning their value. Then we assign value of position to the new element. And now we make a short condition, because we only we are allowed only to insert in the first and in the between and last of our array data. So beyond those three options, we cannot insert new element. So make condition our position is less than the size of our array, then it loops and print our So let's check if there is an error here. So let's try to run this program. Number 5. If you want to insert inter-element position, example, you have to insert new element in index 2. So we're gonna put 2. The new element for our index 2, we will put 90. So as you can see, new value or new element is inserted in the index 2. So let's try another one. Example, we have 4, 2, 8. Example, we insert another element in the last position. So we have to put 4, the index 4, we put 100. As you can see, it inserted a new element from here. So let's try again. Say 3, 2, 4, 8. Example, we have to run beyond our array size. So we put 5. You can see it will not skip to 5 because there is no extension as 3 and 4. So let's see. As you can see, it will not able to insert an element. So our program is correct. Thanks for watching, guys.